Howdy everyone, I'm Ryan with Axolotl Arms, and today we're looking at the modern day Liberator pistol, also known as the Altor Corp single shot 9mm. Now Altor Corp does not tell you to bury these in the backyard, and I'm sure they don't condone it. But for the price they sell it for, they're kinda asking you to. Now this thing's so cheap, you're not going to be upset if you see a little bit of rust on the barrel, or you even forget where you put it, or you forget you had it in the first place, but it is still a pretty neat gun and not too many people have one. Shooting this thing is weird because there is not technically a trigger. You're really only moving the firing pin because whenever you pull back, it doesn't go boom. You actually have to let it go. Even though the Altor is a really weird gun, I kind of like it. It's really fun to shoot, something weird, different, and it's actually pretty accurate within 10 yards or so.